how to upload photos on ChatGPT and ask AI about your photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily upload your photos to ChatGPT. Let's dive right in. Open up your ChatGPT app or on the browser, and then you can see the plus icon in the left hand side. Just tap on it, and then you can either click a live picture or choose photos from your gallery. So once you have chosen the photo, you can ask anything. So ask any question that you want to AI and then hit send. You need to wait for a while and it will give you an answer in just few seconds. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.